Today we're becoming TikTokers.
Because we're young.
Let's do this. So the day has finally come and we're becoming part of the TikTok community.
Yes.
We want to go viral. I personally don't really get it. I feel like I'm too old. I don't know. But I'm doing my best today. I'm showing skin.
Yes, I'm also wearing my chain. I'm looking all cool and hip.
And me too. Okay, so here's the deal. Today we're gonna recreate viral TikTok dances. And actually we started already yesterday, but it took so long for us to figure out how the app actually works.
We're so old, dude.
I don't get it, y'all. Doesn't make any sense. Wait, what? It's recording still.
Ha.
Oh my god, I'm overwhelmed. I think we have to learn how to use TikTok first. So, here we are again for the second try.
Let's jump onto the TikTok train. All aboard!
So each one of us has 3 TikTok dances that we found on TikTok. Surprise. So I'm gonna show you one of mine first, okay?
Okay.
Oh wow.
Oh, a naked girl!
The TikTok world. Follow. Let's start with the most famous TikToker. Charli D'Amelio.
Oh yeah, I've heard about her. I saw her on Timmy Phone.
And it's this one. Now, because the music in those TikTok videos is copyrighted, we're gonna put some random music on top of it, which probably takes all the fun away. But, well, hopefully we can find songs that fit.
TikTok, timeless, falling, silence, do roll, mileage, take off, pilot.
Yes, lick your lips.
Ready for blast off, pilot.
The faces are incredible. Oh, TikTokers are killing it with their faces, dude. Let me tell you which ones are the most common expressions of TikTokers.
Huh?
There's another thing I've noticed. A lot of TikTokers do this.
I'm also gonna get my jacket later. I'm gonna do the same.
Are you?
Of course. By the way, we are dancers. We haven't danced in a long time, but I guess we still can dance.
I guess so. I mean, we danced for like 10 years.
So, it's
5, 6, 7, and
boom.
ta, ta, ta. No, it's ta, ta, ta.
Wait. No. Wait.
Yeah.
Boom.
Ta,
Ha, ha, ha. Hit the cut. We are already a little bit further. The first 4 counts we have him. It's like this. Boom. Ta, 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 ta.
boom. Ha, 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 ha.
TikTok, timeless, falling, silence, do roll, mileage, take off, pilot. Ready for blast off, get ready for blast off, pilot.
Yeah, okay, so we're gonna clean it now, so it looks better with the both of us. We're probably gonna add our own twist to it, and then let's see how it turns out. Okay, everybody, now the time has come to show our real dance moves.
TikTok, timeless, falling, silence, do roll, mileage, take off, pilot. Ready for blast off, get ready for blast off, pilot.
Okay, so we just finished recording the first choreo. It took so long, and now we're gonna record the second one. This one is from Ondreaz Lopez. We actually started learning this one yesterday, and this is what happened.
Why do you have my cap?
Because I brought it from upstairs.
That's my cap still.
I don't care.
I'm gonna
Hey!
take it.
No, I wanna feel like a dancer, you weirdo.
I feel like a dancer now.
You look so bad. Okay. Are you okay?
That's gonna be such a mess. I don't even know the name of the song.
Funkytown.
Funkytown.
Ta, tu, 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 tu. One. Ta, 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 ta. I know, it's ta.
And then thump, 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 something weird.
I just do it our way.
Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh my God, such a fail. Oh, that's such a fail.
Won't you take me to Funkytown?
Hey, I don't know what you're doing with it. I look weird.
You always look weird, dude. Nothing new.
What the hell?
Oh,
There it is. I got it. Okay.
He's a TikToker. It's so cringy. It's so cringy. It took us forever to record those 2 TikToks, but now I'm gonna show Yannick the 3rd one. I think it's super viral because I think I've seen it from different people, so I don't know who originated it, but we're gonna do the version from Charli D'Amelio.
Charli D'Amelio, my girl.
Oh, Charli D'Amelio. I am like Charli D'Amelio.
I don't know how to say that name.
Whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, I don't wanna hear about your front. Lot of bad stories coming out of one joint, but I don't wanna fight.
Alrighty then, let's do it.
Let's try it.
Something like that?
What is that? The first one? Okay. Wait, what?
I'm not sure about all this. 5, 6, 7, 8. Bounce, big,
It's hard, you do the trick. Bounce, big, Nami. Yeah.
Bounce the drip.
Nami. You sing.
5, 6, 7,
5, 6, 7.
And counting if you want me to.
Okay, let's
She's
go.
so annoying, man. She's so annoying.
Whip it, I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning.
The sun is going down.
Yannick is not focused at all, bro. Bounce, break,
What?
Please, stop.
How do you do that one? I'm not sweaty. That's my problem. I'm doing like boom, boom, boom. And I don't look sweaty. Do I look sweaty?
No. I'm being honest.
Swag, 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 swag. So, ladies and gentlemen, 1 hour later, we're still practicing.
That's life with a perfectionist, guys.
No, that's live with TikTokers.
Whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it. Going all in and I won't stop winning. Whip it, flip it, I just wanna get it. Let it all go and I won't stop winning. No, I don't wanna hear about your front. Lot of bad stories coming out of one joint, but I don't wanna fight.
Okay, we're done with our 3rd TikTok, and now there's gonna be the last one, right?
Yeah. Our plan was to record 6 different TikToks, but no.
We're gonna do
We're gonna stick to 4. So now we're gonna learn the last TikTok. I chose it. It's a lot of footwork, and it's from Mary Grace _.
I don't think I can do that.
So,
Yannick
it's
is
super
ready.
fast, and because of that, I decided to download the video and lower the speed down to 25%, and with that we can learn it, okay?
You learn it and then you tell me how it goes. You teach
Great.
it. You teach it to me.
Okay, I will. Look at me!
Okay, that was it, guys. 3 TikToks for this time, and then if you want more, subscribe.
No, we can do this! How do they do the normal step? Like this? Does it look like shuffle?
Maybe.
The thing is, this is shuffling, and we've never shuffled before.
Never.
Only in a card game. Okay, I learned it, now I'm gonna teach Joss.
Okay.
Typically tap on this spot. You're gonna go to then you have a kick. So the sun is pretty much gone, but we get a little bit further. 5, 6, 7, 8. And damn it. So since it's getting dark now, I think we're gonna keep going tomorrow.
3 days! 3 days to make 4 TikToks, are you kidding me? Another day, another TikTok.
Alrighty then. We're gonna do it 75% of the speed, and then 90% of the speed, and then 100.
Okay.
I have to warm up first.
Oh, no. It's too hot for that.
Okay, so this floor really sucks. Yeah, maybe we should try it inside. Okay, so we're inside now, and we're gonna try it here on this floor.
The reason why we never record here is because of the echo.
Echo.
So have fun.
So, do you think we're ready?
We're never gonna be ready. Let's do it. Great.
Great, no sound. Sorry.
What happened?
Right.
This? Wait, do you actually feel bad? Because you
Yes,
just...
it actually hurts. So, guys, I'm hurt.
Man down. He loves to get a papachada. Okay, I don't think he sprained his ankle because he can't walk and he's just singing around.
I'm never gonna dance again.
How do you feel for real? Because you're just clowning around and cannot tell if it actually hurts or not.
It was hurting, right now it's better again, but I'm scared that if I do it again, it hurts again. So, I don't know if I should do it again. We can do this! So guys, that was it. These were all the TikTok dances we had for you today.
Sadly, we couldn't share them with the original music, but if you want to check them out, then go to our TikTok account and follow us there.
Follow us because we need to go viral now.
Yeah, all of them are gonna be there with the original music.
Yes. So now we created our own TikTok dance and we want you guys to watch it and to recreate it. Go on TikTok, upload your own version and tag us, please.
Yes, we're gonna try not to make it too difficult. It's gonna be here at the end of the video and we cannot wait to watch you dancing.
Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres, como acariciarte y conocerte de raíz.
Okay guys, one time with the counts and it goes.
5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, and boom, 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 ha, 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 ha.
Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres que brinda la vida y que nos hace tan feliz. Sé que tú quieres conmigo, amor, todos esos placeres.
So that was it. See you next time. Adios muchachos.
Cheers.